So here's how to enable NFS on Windows 11. So basically NFS means network file system. We will exactly show you how to turn on in your PC. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the search bar and simply search for turn Windows features on or off. This option you need to search it for and then simply open it up, and then from here scroll it down until you find the NFS. There you go. There is the services for NFS. You need to check mark on it, and then you need to expand it and also check mark all of these, and then simply go with the OK button. Then it will take some time to apply the changes. Alright, as you can see, the Windows completed the request changes. Now close it up and simply go to the search bar and search for NFS. And there you have it, network file system. If you just turn it on, as you can see, we got the client for NFS. So that's how you can simply enable or turn on NFS, which is the network file system on Windows 11. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you pretty next time.